Now let's talk about the features of Zephyr Advanced. Zephyr Advanced is an add-on for Zephyr, and what we will get is some extra features as well as extended test runs. Some of the extra features include the ability to run our tests across browsers. So we can take our test case and not only run it across Chrome, but we can run it across 4 different browsers to help ensure consistent performance across all the major browsers. We also have the ability to execute our test case in parallel. We get up to 3 test runs for parallel execution simultaneously. This will help accelerate our testing speeds. There are 2 other features as well that are available within this Zephyr Advanced platform. And it's going to be the SMS and email capability that we get. So with each account, we essentially get the capability to do a number of validations, text-based validations, image-based validations. But there's one other testing type that I want to highlight, which is SMS and email-based validations too. So Zephyr Advanced gives you this feature where we can actually test that we get a certain response in a email or a text body to validate that an order was created, or if we want to validate that we get a dual authentication workflow, we are able to do that. So when I will quickly add a step, we do get an email or SMS test step. So essentially what happens is we give users access to an email and a phone number to do this validation. If you want to validate, that we get a certain field within the response, a certain variable value, we can validate all of those as well. On top of those features, you also get 4 to 6 times the amount of test runs than you do with Zephyr Standard. A test run is going to be those automated test runs from either no-code automation or from the record and playback feature that I'm highlighting in front of you. In Zephyr Standard, you do get some base runs, but with Zephyr Advanced, you get 4 to 6 times the amount of runs. I hope that was useful and have a nice rest of your day.